quick video of my new truck. This is the old one. I took the Ebling off and put the Tornado in the back of it. Bought a new XV2 LED light upgrade. Put some tool mirrors on it. Bought some 17-inch stock wheels. Studded LT235 VD 17 tires. Can't get better than that. Kari low profile mount. Light bar on it. Just put Eblings in the rear. When I slap it in reverse, that light bar comes on. The one in the bumpers. Those little slim LEDs up top. The bottom cubes fire off the auxiliary switch for the light bar. And those are for when I'm going forward. All the backup lights are off. And those light the insides of the wings while I'm plowing forward. Put a tonneau cover so while it's snowing it keeps my shit clean. But back here, made a wooden box. Got a little lumber in there for if I get stuck I need to jack or something like that. But see, it's all concrete blocks from Lowe's. The box in the blocks is probably like 850 pounds or something. And I got toolbox, spare tire, shovels, tire chains, pole saw in case branches are hanging down. Rear camera looks down on the Ebling so I can not back into shit. Everything's quick disconnect. Just gotta take these caps off, disconnect the Deutsch connector. Comes right off in like 30 seconds. Lights all work off. Light bar power. This I have for there's white ambers on the side of the light bar for like alley lights. Auxiliary is the cubes in the back. I never fuck with the pattern. There's too many patterns to begin with. And then the rear camera's up there. I got the stock rear camera, but it's too low on the tailgate to use for backing up with that Ebling on. And during storms, I work out of this 3-car garage. I specialize in Nissan Infinity. That's my day-to-day work. Two-post lift. Pretty much every tool you could ever need. That's a lie. I buy new tools every fucking day. I'm trying to get my sander in here this year on that bay. The truck fits in here with a couple feet to spare with the Ebling and the V-plow on it. Got snap-on tire changer, balancer. Heat your propane. The third bay is separated, but keep a lot of shit in here. Air compressor I just set up last year, and I made a cooling manifold all out of copper. My venture into plumbing. And the plumbing comes out. And I got a couple drop downs. One here I usually use. One back there for the tire machine to clean rims when I put the stick-on weights. One here goes to the tire machine. It's a mess. It's always a mess at work. That's my 72 Corvette with a custom wide body, supercharged, Pro Charger, blow through carb on a 417 long rod small block Chevy. I just bought the new snowblower. It's a tiny piece of shit, but it's just to get the path to the fill pipe for the oil guy and between the house and the garage. Minor shit.